We're here at one of our clients' project sites. Probably looks familiar to you. Take a look around. You can see a variety of equipment, but do you really have visibility and insight to those assets? Tenna gives you a 360-degree picture of everything in your mixed asset fleet, whether you're on site, in the shop, or at the office. From insights like utilization based on cycle time or other activities, to move history between projects and other locations, when and where, with geofences and notifications that automatically alert the appropriate folks when something has left or entered a site. Don't waste time walking around looking for something. Simply look at the asset location on the Tenna app. Because Tenna offers a variety of hardware options, you can gather the data and insights of all your assets and manage everything on one platform. For example, some of your equipment, like a site roller, may not be running all the time, but with the Tenna Go plugin and your Tenna platform, you can calculate the engine hours against expected runtime to determine if its utilization is optimized. For your fleet trucks and vehicles, the Tenna Fleet Tracker, both in OBD2 and JBus configurations, you can get notified of speeding and hard braking to better manage safety compliance or concerns. For unpowered or smaller assets, the Tenna Mini, battery or solar options, is great when you need to track the location and movement of what is typically lost in the weeds or left behind. When choosing a solution, choose one with over 100 years experience in the construction industry. With Tenna, you can know more, control more, and make more.